Hey, Super Cobra Jet Jim here. Have a really cool car to show you guys today. It's a 1966 Mustang factory GT convertible factory 4-speed car with a special paint option, which this car was ordered with Sapphire Blue. It was not available on 66 Mustangs as a factory color. It was only available on 66 Shelbys of that same year. So I'm just going to walk around and point out all the cool stuff about this car and how original it is. And it's in excellent condition. Very little rust. Original style steel wheels. Kelsey Hayes disc brakes behind there. Let me just give you a quick little tour. Check out the warranty plate. It's a 3-owner car. I'm the 3rd owner. It's a California car. Factory AC. It's raining today, but still going to be able to get this done. It's okay. You need the water here in Southern California, so it's a plus. The only major rust spot on this car is that passenger rear floorboard right there. Everything else, this has a couple little pinholes, nothing major. It's salvageable. That would be the only one that I would cut out and splice a new one in. I would take out as little as metal as possible, trying to retain the original metal. Eight pillars, excellent. No rust. This is all beautiful. Original porters, original glass, original chrome. No major dents, a couple dings here and there. It's a 50-year-old car, so things happen. It's an electric top. GT exhaust. Everything lines up real nice. Doors shut real well. They don't sag, they don't hang. This is a super rare car in terms of options and it being a factory GT. Doors are beautiful. It's a California car. Look at how nice that shuts. Shuts better than a new car. Car doesn't sit. It sits in my garage, so it being out here in the rain and getting wet is not normal for this car. This is a barn find car. It's been sitting idle for about maybe 25 years prior to me. Here in California, it's always been a Los Angeles car. So it's always been local. I'm here in Newport Beach, so this car's always been a local car. Let's check out the engine compartment. Kind of cold. hole in the exhaust. The other fog lamp works, I just don't have it hooked up. There you go. 1966 Mustang convertible, factory GT, factory 4-speed, pony interior, special option, color option, Sapphire Blue, super rare car. It's never been offered for sale publicly. This will be the first time. Beautiful car. Bid. This car will be sold to the highest bidder.